Welcome to a mind-blowing journey through incredible inventions you've never seen before. From futuristic gadgets to genius innovations, this video reveals the most cutting-edge technology changing our lives in 2025 and beyond. These aren't just ideas, they're real products you can see in action. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Boosted Mini X. The Boosted Mini X is a compact electric skateboard designed for riders who want the powerful, premium riding experience Boosted is known for, but in a smaller, more portable package. Perfect for urban commuters and campus cruising, the Mini X offers a unique blend of speed, range, and durability packed into a 29.5-inch deck. The board features a deep dish composite deck made from poplar wood cores and fiberglass, giving riders a secure, locked-in feeling at high speeds while maintaining flexibility for a smooth ride. The Mini X is powered by dual belt drive motors that deliver up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour of top speed, and provide impressive hill climbing ability, up to a 20% grade. With a 10-mile, 16 kilometers, range thanks to its extended range battery, it's capable of handling daily commutes without the need for frequent charging. The Mini X uses Boosted's signature Boosted Lunar 80mm wheels, which are soft enough to absorb road vibrations but durable enough for everyday use. The regenerative braking system ensures smooth and controlled stops, even when descending steep hills. Weighing around 16.8 pounds, 7.6 kilograms, the Boosted Mini X strikes a balance between portability and performance, easily fitting under desks or carried onto public transport. Its precision control via the Bluetooth remote gives riders adjustable acceleration and braking, with 3 ride modes catering to different experience levels. With its rugged build, responsive handling, and top-tier performance, the Boosted Mini X remains one of the most iconic choices for riders seeking a fun and reliable shortboard-style electric skateboard. Product 2. Product name: Bike Cargo Trailer. Bike Cargo Trailer, foldable frame, 88 pounds max load, 16 quick-release wheel, not for kids or animals. The Bike Cargo Trailer is a practical solution for cyclists who need extra carrying capacity without compromising their riding comfort. Designed with a durable foldable steel frame, this trailer can hold up to 88 pounds of cargo, making it ideal for transporting groceries, gear, supplies, or tools. It features 16-inch quick-release wheels that provide smooth and stable handling over various terrains, whether on city streets, park trails, or campgrounds. The foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, perfect for riders with limited space. Importantly, this model is strictly intended for cargo only, not for transporting children or pets. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or heading out for a weekend adventure, the Bike Cargo Trailer offers a sturdy, efficient, and versatile option for expanding your hauling capabilities by bike. Product 3. Product name: Motorola Bendable Concept. The Motorola Bendable Concept represents a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of wearable and smart technology, particularly within the context of evolving smartwatches and fitness trackers like the Apple Watch Series 8, Xiaomi Mi Band 7, and Kospit Tank T3 Ultra. Unveiled as a futuristic prototype, the Motorola Bendable device combines the functionality of a smartphone with the adaptability of a wearable, featuring a flexible POLED display that can wrap around the wrist like a bracelet or stand upright in a self-supported position for hands-free use. This concept pushes beyond the traditional boundaries of wearables by offering transformable form factors, flat like a phone, arched like a display stand, or curved to fit around the wrist. The bendable device integrates AI-powered features, robust smart assistant capabilities, and customizable user experiences depending on how it's worn or displayed. It bridges the gap between smartphones and wearables, creating a hybrid category of devices designed for convenience, portability, and enhanced interactivity. In comparison to devices like the LIG 2-in-1 TWS earphones, smartwatch, or Garmin Instinct 2X Solar, Motorola's bendable concept emphasizes form flexibility over modularity, introducing a design philosophy centered around adaptive use cases rather than fixed functions. It's a vision of the future where tech is not only smart, but also physically fluid, adapting to your needs in real time, whether you're at the gym, at work, or on the go. Product 4. Product name GT20 Electric Bike. The GT20 electric bike for adults is a high-performance electric motorcycle-style e-bike designed to deliver powerful performance, long-range capability, and versatile riding options. It features a 1500W to 3000W motor, offering exceptional power for uphill climbs, off-road adventures, or high-speed urban commuting. Paired with a 25Ah or 40Ah removable battery, the GT20 supports an impressive maximum range of 93 to 145 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for extended rides without frequent recharging. Built with 20x 4.0 fat tires, this e-bike provides enhanced traction and stability across various terrains, including sand, snow, and rugged trails. The 7-speed gear system allows riders to adapt to different inclines and speeds with ease, while the motorcycle-inspired design adds a sporty, aggressive aesthetic. This combination of raw power, endurance, and practical features makes the GT20 electric bike a compelling choice for adult riders seeking a durable, stylish, and capable mode of electric transportation. Product 5. Product name Lazzarini Pectrum. The Lazzarini Pectrum is a luxury yacht renowned for its striking design, advanced technology, and unmatched comfort, placing it firmly among the elite in the world of high-end marine engineering. As a modern super yacht, the Pectrum is distinguished by its sleek exterior lines, expansive deck spaces, and state-of-the-art interior finishes tailored for the discerning traveler seeking both performance and opulence at sea. Crafted with precision, the Lazzarini Pectrum features a lightweight yet robust hull made from composite materials, ensuring speed and stability even in challenging waters. The yacht's propulsion system is designed for both power and efficiency, offering smooth cruising capabilities and reduced environmental impact. Inside, the yacht exudes sophistication, featuring open-plan lounges, panoramic windows for natural lighting, and custom furnishings curated from top European designers. Amenities often include a jacuzzi, private beach club, onboard cinema, fully equipped gym, and multiple guest cabins with en-suite bathrooms, all designed with comfort and privacy in mind. Smart technology is deeply integrated throughout the vessel, including touch panel controls, climate and lighting automation, and satellite connectivity for seamless navigation and entertainment. Whether used for private charters, personal leisure, or high-profile events, the Lazzarini Pectrum reflects the pinnacle of nautical craftsmanship and luxury lifestyle at sea. Product 6. Product name Microlino. The Microlino is a modern, compact electric microcar that blends the charm of vintage bubble cars with the functionality required for today's urban lifestyles. Designed and manufactured by Swiss company Micro Mobility Systems, the Microlino is not a full-sized car nor a typical electric scooter. It fits perfectly in between. Inspired by the classic BMW Isetta, it features a retro-futuristic design with a distinctive front opening door and rounded body, making it stand out on city streets. Weighing just about 500 kilograms, around 1,100 pounds, the Microlino is incredibly lightweight, enabling excellent energy efficiency. It's powered by an electric motor that offers a top speed of about 90 km per hour, 56 miles per hour, perfect for city and suburban commuting. Depending on the battery pack chosen, 6, 10.5, or 14 kWh, it can deliver a range of between 95 to 230 km, 59 to 143 miles, on a full charge. Charging is simple too, taking just a few hours using a regular home socket. The interior of the Microlino is minimalistic but smartly designed. It accommodates 2 adults comfortably and offers a small trunk space of about 230 liters, enough for groceries or a weekend bag, aligning perfectly with the needs of modern urbanites seeking a stylish, eco-friendly, and space-saving alternative to conventional vehicles. Product 7. Product name Magic Leap 2. The Magic Leap 2 is a next-generation augmented reality (AR) headset developed by Magic Leap, designed primarily for enterprise and professional use. It significantly advances upon its predecessor in terms of both hardware and software, aiming to deliver more immersive, lightweight, and practical AR experiences. With a lighter and more ergonomic design, the Magic Leap 2 offers improved comfort for extended wear, a key feature for industrial, medical, and collaborative applications. Key specifications include a high-resolution display, enhanced field of view, FOV, now one of the widest in the AR industry, and dynamic dimming technology, which allows for better visibility of digital content in bright environments. It is powered by an AMD quad-core Zen 2 processor, with robust graphics and processing capabilities, enabling real-time rendering of complex AR visuals. The device runs on Android-based Lumen OS, giving developers flexibility and access to a wide array of tools and APIs for building custom AR solutions. The Magic Leap 2 also features a refined controller with 6 degrees of freedom, tracking, spatial audio, advanced sensors for environment mapping, and a modular approach to computing, making it ideal for highly specialized sectors like surgery planning, industrial training, and remote assistance. Product 8. Product name Spen Aero HT Land Aircraft Carrier. The Spen Aero HT Land Aircraft Carrier is a groundbreaking innovation in personal transportation, combining a robust electric ground vehicle with a detachable electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. Unveiled at CES 2025, this modular system aims to revolutionize mobility by enabling seamless transitions between driving and flying modes. Ground module, the mothership. Design and dimensions: a triaxle, 6-wheel configuration with 6x6 all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering, measuring approximately 5.5 meters in length, 2 meters in width, and 2 meters in height. Powertrain: equipped with an 800V silicon carbide range-extended electric platform, offering a combined driving range exceeding 1,000 kilometers. Functionality: serves as both a transportation vehicle and a mobile charging station, capable of recharging the eVTOL aircraft up to 6 times, whether stationary or in motion. Air module, the eVTOL aircraft. Structure: a 6-rotor, dual-duct design constructed from carbon fiber for lightweight durability. Cockpit: features a 2-seat configuration with a 270 degrees panoramic view, enhancing the flying experience. Automation: incorporates autonomous flight capabilities, including one-touch takeoff and landing, automatic flight planning, and autonomous flight modes. Integration: utilizes an automated separation and docking mechanism, allowing the aircraft to be deployed or stored within approximately 5 minutes. Product 9. Product name Tesla Megapack. The Tesla Megapack is a large-scale, grid-connected battery energy storage solution developed by Tesla Incorporated. Designed to support utility-scale renewable energy projects and grid stabilization efforts, the Megapack serves as a crucial infrastructure component in the global transition towards sustainable energy. Each Megapack unit integrates lithium-ion battery modules, inverters, thermal management systems, and software into a single, easy-to-deploy system. It is engineered to store excess solar or wind energy during periods of low demand and dispatch it when demand surges, enhancing grid reliability and resilience. In the context of the technologies and innovations mentioned in the paragraph above, including portable, energy-efficient devices, high-performance tools, and smart home or outdoor solutions, the Tesla Megapack stands out as a macro-scale counterpart. While those products emphasize personal or localized efficiency and convenience, the Megapack operates at a massive industrial level, enabling whole communities or cities to reduce their dependence on fossil fuels and manage energy intelligently. It exemplifies how Tesla's innovation spans from individual electric vehicles to vast energy systems, providing clean power storage infrastructure that complements the broader shift toward decarbonization and electrification in modern life. Product 10. Product name Commercial Unpaint Lat M. Commercial Unpaint Lat M2 appears to be an initiative or campaign associated with Glass's innovative product, Unpaint, a biodegradable, peelable paint developed in Colombia. While specific details about Commercial Unpaint Lat M2 are limited, it likely represents a strategic marketing or distribution phase targeting the Latin American market, building upon previous efforts to introduce Unpaint to a broader. Unpaint is a temporary paint solution that can be applied to various surfaces, including walls, wood, marble, and leather. It offers the unique advantage of being easily removable without leaving residue, making it ideal for temporary applications such as seasonal decorations, events, or property staging. The product is environmentally friendly, capturing 11 kilograms of CO2 per kg used, and has a lifespan of up to 10 months before removal. The Latin American market has shown significant interest in sustainable and innovative coatings, with the protective coatings sector projected to reach a value of $1.3 billion by 2027. Unpaint's eco-friendly attributes and versatility position it well within this growing market. In summary, Commercial Unpaint Lat M2 likely signifies Glass's continued efforts to expand Unpaint's presence in Latin America, leveraging its sustainable features and adaptability to meet the region's evolving demands in the paints and coatings industry. Product 11. Product name Le Petit Chef. Le Petit Chef is an innovative and immersive dining experience that combines gastronomy with cutting-edge 3D projection mapping technology to tell a delightful visual story on your plate. Originating from the creative studio Skull Mapping in Belgium, Le Petit Chef features a tiny animated French chef who appears to cook right on your dining table using high-definition projection. This miniature culinary show is synchronized with each course of a real-life meal, blending storytelling, visual artistry, and fine dining into one unforgettable experience. In the context of advanced and creative tools or gadgets, as seen in the paragraph above with items like smartwatches, portable neck air conditioners, and ultrasonic cutters, Le Petit Chef represents the intersection of technology and hospitality. Just like high-tech tools redefine daily tasks, Le Petit Chef redefines traditional dining by turning it into an interactive, tech-enhanced performance, making it a standout example of how digital innovation can elevate everyday experiences. Product 12. Product name Data Explorer. Data Explorer trademark is an advanced data analytics and exploration platform designed to provide users with deep insights through intuitive visualizations, interactive dashboards, and AI-driven data discovery tools. In the context of the wide array of smart technologies and high-performance products listed above, ranging from smartwatches, GPS devices, home security systems, to electric tools, Data Explorer trademark plays a crucial role in aggregating, analyzing, and interpreting data generated by these devices. This platform can integrate data from sources such as fitness trackers, example Garmin, Apple Watch, Mi Band, smart appliances, portable GPS devices, and even automotive accessories to offer users actionable intelligence. With real-time analytics, customizable reporting, and machine learning capabilities, Data Explorer trademark empowers individuals and businesses to make informed decisions, whether optimizing a workout routine, improving home security efficiency, or managing power usage in tools and smart gadgets. Key features of Data Explorer trademark. Data integration seamlessly connects with IoT devices, wearables, smart home systems, and industrial tools. Interactive dashboards visualize performance metrics, trends, and anomalies through user-friendly interfaces. Predictive analytics employs AI and machine learning to forecast behaviors, detect issues, and suggest improvements. Custom reports and alerts generate tailored insights and receive real-time notifications based on user-defined parameters. Scalable architecture suitable for personal users and enterprise environments alike, handling large-scale datasets securely.